My name is Sarah Van Buren. I graduated from the University of Florida with a Master of Arts in Speech Language Pathology. I got my bachelor's and my master's there. I am a ASHA certified and state licensed speech language pathologist, and I am also a licensed audiologist assistant. As a licensed audiologist assistant here at Greater Atlanta Hearing, I am here to help patients with hearing aid checks, hearing aid repairs, hearing aid care, everyday care, how to take care of your hearing aids, as well as helping patients learn how to function in the community with their hearing aids. As a benefit of me being here, I will provide a quicker turnaround time to help patients come in the office and make it sure that their needs are provided for here at Greater Atlanta Hearing. I have been married almost 20 years. I have two beautiful girls, 13 and 11, who love to dance. I like to run, I like to work out, I like to be outside, and I'm really looking forward to meeting the patients here and really helping them with their hearing aids, with improving their quality of life.